My name is Vivian Vega, and I'm a third year at UCR studying Chicano Studies and History. In the 1945 Aliso Village, Boyle Heights photograph, I see the reflection of the women in my family standing outside of some apartments that look familiar to me. Similar to those that are next to the elementary school I used to attend, it brings nostalgia. There is something about this photograph that reflects familiar faces and experiences. When I took a look at the composite map of 1995 through 96, I noticed how Maria's great expedition began in Morelia, Mexico, went through Colorado, Arizona, and ended in California. I thought about one of the most common unspoken issues immigrants face when it comes to traveling and how they have to prioritize their survival and providing for their loved ones back in their motherlands. In a way, they are held hostage on stolen land, land that once belonged to indigenous people before the annexation of Mexico in 1848. They weren't able to go back to their motherlands because they know they would face extreme difficulties when returning to the US. It costs money and time, and for a lot of them, it has cost their lives. In the 1945 Aliso Village photograph, Maria stands alone. The photo projects an old, rooted, and familiar memory of a land that is supposed to be home but is now unwelcoming. As Christina states in 1945, segregation was at its prime, where Chicano youth were only allowed to swim on the day the public pools were cleaned. Not only do these photos capture the unspoken, but historical moments and experiences as a whole. Although Maria was able to go back to Morelia, there are many others who don't hold that privilege and are still separated from their family and friends.